Huawei are entering the Elite Droids League with the Ascend P1. With a good-looking original design, powerful chipset, and plenty of extra features, the smartphone might turn out to be one of the surprises of the season. While the P1 is pretty light at 110 grams, we found that the 7.7mm thickness claim is misleading, and the phone is closer to 8.5mm, not much thinner than a Samsung Galaxy S2. Then there's also the protruding camera module and the chin on the back. The front of the Ascend P1 boasts a 4.3-inch QHD Super AMOLED covered in Gorilla Glass, which offers great colors and viewing angles, even if the pentile matrix causes the familiar dottiness to appear now and then. Other hardware highlights include the MHL-enabled micro USB port, the micro SD card slot, and the 8-megapixel 1080p capable camera. The software looks like stock Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich at first glance, but the hollow look is just a theme that you can change. Fans of vanilla Android will want to stick with this launcher, while others might want to try the 3D Home launcher, which features 3D widgets. The Huawei Ascend P1 is powered by a dual-core processor that aces benchmarks, even if it's no match for quad cores or next-gen dual cores. The camera picks up the slack, however, by offering modes like HDR and group shot, similar to what we've seen on the HTC One series phones. Group shot tracks many faces, we counted up to 25 or so, and lets you snap up to 5 consecutive photos. After that, for each face you can pick which of the 5 shots should be used, making people blinking in photos a thing of the past. The Ascend P1 sure shows a lot of promise, and if Huawei plays its cards right, it might become the company's first bestseller.